Well, Merry Christmas. Steve and I couldn't get together. We have conflicting schedules, so I'm going to do a training video today. Join Steve and I as we go out and capture images of the Ozarks and sometimes teach you a little about photography. So join me. I'm going to show you how and what I do when I shoot directly into the sun and you get lens flare. So let's go to Lightroom and I'll show you how I do that. So here are the two images that I took, and I'm shooting directly, let me show you this picture, shooting directly into the sun, and you can see the lens flare all over this photo. So what I do on my next photo, I use my thumb or my hand and I cover up the sun with, usually I use my thumb. I got a little carried away here. You can see that all the lens flare is gone. Now I've already edited these, that's hard to say, edited these in Lightroom. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here in my film strip, select both images, left mouse click on it, and edit in. I go all the way down here to the bottom and I open in Lightroom as layers. And I said Lightroom, what I meant is Photoshop. So here are my two images, and all I'll do is highlight the top one and put a mask in. And then what I'll do is I'll get a black brush, which the bottom color here is black, B for brush, and then I'll make a smaller brush with my bracket keys. And all I'll do is paint over the lens flares. And I'm going to use a little bigger brush. I make sure that my flow's 100% and everything, and my masking, or I should say my feathering, is normal. There's some more right here. Now here's where you could get in trouble. So let's say I make a mistake and I come over here. Oh, I got my hand showing. So all you have to do is change by hitting the X key, go back to white and paint that back in. Okay? And that's how I take care of lens flares in Photoshop. And then all I have to do is flatten these layers, flatten image, so it's one image, and then I hit my command on a Mac, Command S to save it, and it takes a little while because this is a big file. I shoot with a Nikon D850, most of you know that. And then I hit Command W to close that one. Now let's go back into Lightroom, show the grid. Now you know it says PSD, that's a Photoshop document, edit. And let's compare. Here's my first one with all the lens flare, the cover up. Oh, and I missed one. Can you see it right there? I missed one. But that's how I take care of lens flare when I'm shooting directly into the sun. Thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. We're up to 680 some. So I need some of you that follow us on Facebook to go into our channel and subscribe. We're probably not going to make our 1,000 that we wanted to. Okay, Merry Christmas. Come back and see the next video. Bye.